Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you.
The most beautiful killer murderer game. ये बहुत मजेदार किलर मर्डरर गेम. Suppose there are 100 people standing in a circle serially. One more time. There are 100 people standing in a circular fashion serially. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here will be 100, 99, 98, 97. Like this, 100 people are standing in a circle. So, who is the neighbor of 1? 2 and 100. Clear? Good. Now, the thing is, 1 is holding a knife or a sword or something. With that knife, he kills number 2 and pass this knife to number 3. 1 kills number 2 and then pass it to 3. Now, who is holding the knife? 3. 3 kills 4 and passes it to 5. 5 kills 6 and passes it to 7. Similarly, 98 will kill 99 and pass it to 100. Then 100 will kill 100 will kill. Arey, 100 is so dead. 100 is dead. 99 have killed 100 and pass it to 1. Now 1 will kill 3 and pass it to 5. This will go on till there is only one survivor in the circle. Identify the roll number of that survivor. Take your time. Enjoy. Huh? 1? No. 1 मर जाएगा. 1 शहीद हो जाएगा. हाँ, बचा कौन? वही तो आपको खोजना है. मुझसे पूछ रही है सर, बचा कौन? Do you want options? I will give you 100 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Options, sir. Write the options. Option number A, 1. Option number 2. Now select the option. ओके, कोशिश खत्म हो जाए तो बताना. हाँ, 99 कहाँ भाई? 99 तो मरमुरा जाएगा, टेंशन नहीं. नेक्स्ट राउंड में जाएगा या कब जाएगा मालूम नहीं चला जाएगा. ओके, सी हियर. इसके लिए इसका सोल्यूशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले पेन नीचे समझो. यू कैन ओनली सॉल्व दिस इफ यू नो हाउ टू सॉल्व. इफ यू डोंट नो, यू कांट. एज सिंपल एज दैट. This is not a mathematical problem. This is effort of someone. 5-10 साल लगा के उनने एक थ्योरम बनाया जिसने इसको सॉल्व किया. और वो थ्योरम क्या है? You write this theorem first, and if you can understand the theorem, you can solve these kind of questions like this. Now, what is the theorem? Write the theorem. If there are 2 to the power n people in the circle, if there are 2 to the power n people in the circle and number 1 is starting the game, then the survivor is number 1 itself. That is survivor is the one, that is survivor is the one who starts the game. When there are 2 to the power n person in the circle. Let's first prove this with example. 2 to the power n is 0. 2 to the power 0 is 1. If there is only one person in the circle, he will not kill himself, obviously. He is holding the knife and he is the winner. Correct? 2 to the power 1 is 2. Suppose there are two people in the circle and one is starting the game. Then one will kill two, one is the survivor. Suppose two is starting the game, then two will kill one. Who is the survivor? Two. Survivor is the one who starts the game. Let's do it this with four people. 2 square is 4. Let's suppose 3 is starting the game. 3 will kill 4, give it to 1. 1 will kill 2, give it to 3. Clear? 3 will kill 1. Who is the survivor? 3. Who have started the game? 3. Who is the survivor? 3. So that is the rule. If there are 2 to the power n people in the circle, survivor is the one who will start the game. Now let's come back to our game. How many people were there in our game? 100. 100 is not 2 to the power n. 100 is not equivalent to 2 to the power n, where n is a natural number or whole number. Clear? So, what is the value of n which will be inside this count of 100? 64. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. 2 to the power 6 is 64. 2 to the power 7 is 128. That means what? There should be 64 survivors first. I need 64 survivors in the circle. To have this 64 survivors, I need to kill 36 people. And all people are killed according to the roll numbers. Who has started the game? Roll number 1. Who is the first person to get killed? Give me the roll number. Roll number 2. Who is the second person to get killed? Roll number 4. Who is the 36th person to get killed? Roll number 72. Who is the first one to get killed? Roll number 2. Who is the second one to get killed? Roll number 4. Who is the third one to get killed? Roll number 6. Clear? Who is the 36th person to get killed? Roll number 72. When roll number 72 is killed, who is holding the knife after that? Roll number 73. When roll number 73 is holding the knife, there are 64 persons in the circle. Yes or no? When roll number 73 is holding the knife, there are 64 people alive in the circle. Clear? That means we can say, now the position is, there are 64 people in the circle and the game is starting with roll number 73. Who is the survivor? Roll number 73 is asked. Survivor is number 73. You can only do this if you know that theorem and you know how to use it. Now your task, instead of 100, I'm giving you 50 people in this circle. And if game is starting with 1, give me the roll number of the survivor. Same situation. There are 50 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. They will do the same thing. Knife is with number 1. Tell me the survivor. Anyone, any answer from that side? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Oh, online बैठे आदमी हो. Can you hear me? Anyone? Hello? Hello? Is there anyone alive? Or everyone got killed? फिर लास्ट में आके 73 ने खुद को मार दिया। इतना डिप्रेस हो गया था 99 लोगों का खून देखकर। तो बोला आर की कोरबो, आर तो केव नहीं बाकी है। चलो, हु इज द सर्वाइवर? आंसर नो वन। सर प्रलय आ गया। That was the end of the world. Okay, highest power of 2 in 50? 32. 50 minus 32? 18. 18 into 2? 36 plus 1? Answer, 37. Find the highest power of 2. 32. Deduct from 50. That many people need to be killed. 18 people need to be killed. 18 into 2, 36. Roll number 36 is killed. Knife is with roll number 37. Then there are 32 survivors. 37 is the survivor. Fine? Hana, interesting. Now you tell me, if you don't know this, would you be able to do this? नहीं, कर सकते हो. If you make a circle, write all numbers. घर में जाओ, दीवार पे लिखो. फिर आज शाम को जाकर एक राउंड खेलो, फिर कल आओ वापस दूसरा राउंड खेलो. Then obviously you will get the answer, but when, we don't know. Clear? So again, फिर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, these question belongs to something what we call mathematical reasoning. ऐसा रीजनिंग जहां पर मैथ्स की जरूरत पड़ती है. रीजनिंग में बेसिकली यू डोंट रिक्वायर मैथ्स. इफ यू नॉर्मली ऐसे ही आपको समझाया जाता है कि रीजनिंग इज वर्बल, नॉन वर्बल, यू डोंट नीड मैथ्स, यू नीड मोर ऑफ लॉजिक. दैट इज लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. These all are from mathematical reasoning. If you don't know the maths of this, can you do this? But this question will come in reasoning because it requires more of your logic and reasoning than math. But mathematics चाहिए ना. Based on that, एक और mathematical reasoning का question हम try करते हैं. Not of games, can be of games, whatever. Try करते हैं. Okay.